Hi guys, welcome back to Wrector. It's been so long since our last video on YouTube that I made regarding certain updates or live trading. So this is me starting to resume things again. So just to get started, let's see what's going to happen with Bitcoin. So let's do a quick analysis. Let's try to find our support resistance and our trend line channel. So since let's look for a long term, so let's quickly get into long term. Yeah, so we could identify our, let's say, yeah, this could be our channel resistance, channel support. Yeah, I think that's that, a triangle pattern. So let's get into the 4 hours immediately. Okay, so now we can could we close this down? Yeah, I think we could do this, or do this here. Yeah, maybe we could just close the gap just like that, or we could just close the gap a little bit more. Yeah, so there we do have a breakout. So what we also see on the 4 hour is a what you call inverted falling wedge, I think. Seeing the color into something else, yellow. Yeah, so we do have a inverted falling wedge with several fake outs over here, but we don't have a proper proper breakout. So oops. So what normally happens is after retracement we bounce, and then the fifth one is a possible breakout, or else the sixth one below. So that's that. So let's try to justify with what's going on here. Yeah. So we do have our inverted flag over here. So what else do we see here? Let's identify patterns, right? So if you clearly look at this, we do see a sort of head and shoulder pattern as well. So if I'm gonna draw it for you, where is head and shoulder? Okay, so we could get this like this. Yeah. So you do see it's a complete head and shoulders, another bearish sign. So in order to get more confirmations, let's quickly get into BTC dump and see what's happening over here. So right now we are trading at a support resistance zone, so I'm just gonna make it green for now. We also do have a sort of triangle pattern over here which is going to break out. Let's look through our indicators. Let's see. So we are presently trading above the 20, 50 and the 200-day moving averages. The Bollinger Band strategy has given us a buy signal over here. The RSI is favoring towards buy side. The Fisher is presently overbought, but then with this sort of momentum we are most likely going to break above. So let's quickly get into the 1 hour chart. Let's see what's going to happen over here. I think the conditions are same. Let's get into the immediate 15 minutes chart. So on 15 minutes we have created a double top. So what I could expect over here is we might try to do this, right? Yeah, so that's that. So let's quickly get into BTC again. Yeah, so on BTC we are presently trading below all sorts of moving averages. If we look into the indicators, we are below the 50 line on the RSI. The Bollinger Bands and the Fisher are neutral. So let's get into 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour we do have a sell signal for the Bollinger Band strategy over here. So the RSI is trading on the neutral zone. Oh shit, so we do have sort of divergence, although it's not created. Let's get into immediate 15 minutes. Yeah, so what I think about Bitcoin is during the next during the next few hours. What we should be careful from is to take a short position from here, having our stop loss close to, let's say, yeah, I think 125x is not enough, so because we need a 5% stop loss at least. So our target profit should be somewhere close to, let's see, yeah, I think we could target this week over here. So yeah, somewhere over there. So you should look to DCA. I mean, you should try to enter on market price, and then try to DCA somewhere at this level. So that would be 2% DCA, yeah, somewhere at this level. Yeah, I think it's worth the risk. Or you could wait to see if we could break below this line into get our position to break, retracement, and fall down, right? So what I'm telling you is break, retracement, and fall down. That could be one. Or scenario two is we pick, we hit, we hit, we hit, and then we bounce. So that could be scenario two. So this is what I think what's going to happen on Bitcoin during the next 10 days. Yeah, I think during the next week, since it's the analysis is done on a forward chart. For immediate, since we do have a head and shoulder upwards, I think we will follow the yellow path. So we're going to have some sort of bullish momentums. And if you don't break the right shoulder line, which is also the what do you call, the upper wedge of the upper trend line of the inverted wedge, the plan is failed. But then on short term we should look bullish for 90,600, 90,900. On long term we should look for a short, right? So that's that. Keep that in mind. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a nice day.